Let's take an example.
Jack of all trades.
Master of none, that's right.
Hello and welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a very common English idiom, Jack of all trades, master of none. Let's understand what this means in simple English. When we say someone is a jack of all trades, it means that person can do many different things, not just one. For example, he can cook, fix things, paint, and teach, all a little bit.
Hero and detective, you're just a jack of all trades. Hero and detective, you're just a jack of all trades. Hero and detective, you're just a jack of all trades.
You're a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
You're a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
You're a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
Jack of all trades. Jack of all trades. Jack of all trades.
But when we say master of none, that means he's not very good at any one thing.
Master of none, that's right. Master of none, that's right. Master of none, that's right.
Master of none. Master of none. Master of none.
So, the full idiom means someone who can do many things but is not an expert in any of them. The basic meaning of this idiom is like this. Someone can do a little bit of everything, but they don't know how to do anything well, to an expert level. Let's take an example. Someone who can sing a little, dance a little, and cook a little, but not very good at any one thing. He is a jack of all trades, master of none.
Jack of all trades, master of none. Jack of all trades, master of none. Jack of all trades, master of none.
Yes, a kind of a fixer, jack of all trades and master of none, like they say. Yes, a kind of a fixer, jack of all trades and master of none, like they say. Yes, a kind of a fixer, jack of all trades and master of none, like they say.
Don't want to become a jack of all trade, master of none. You don't want to become a jack of all trade, master of none. You don't want to become a jack of all trade, master of none.
Now let's look at some easy example. My friend Ruwan is a jack of all trades. He can fix bikes, cook, and even design posters. She's a jack of all trades, but a master of none. She tries everything, but doesn't focus on one skill. Sometimes being a jack of all trades is useful, but it's also good to master one thing. Remember, being a jack of all trades is not always bad. Having many skills can help you in life. But if you want to be successful, it's important to be really good at least one thing. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Idiom, jack of all trades, master of none. Meaning, a person who can do many things, but isn't excellent at any one of them. Great job, everyone! Now you understand what jack of all trades, master of none means. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy, to learn English happily. See you soon in the next lesson.